Checkmark packs a punch when it comes to presentations, as they are not just symbols, but they're also visual affirmations. And by showcasing what's been accomplished or what's valid, you create a narrative of progress and certainty. And if you're wondering how to insert checkmarks in PowerPoint, then this video is definitely perfect for you. For the first step, you must open your PowerPoint presentation on your computer, select the text box or area where you want to checkmark, navigate to the Home tab, explore the Font section, and then pick Wingdings from the drop-down menu. Now there are two ways you can insert checkmark, and you can do it by the keyboard shortcut, and you can also do it from the symbol set. Now in using the keyboard shortcut, you just have to hold the Alt key and then type 252 on your numeric keypad. Alternatively, you can also position your cursor where you wish to add a symbol, then insert it by going to the Insert tab, choose Symbols drop-down, and then pick Wingdings from the drop-down menu. Select the checkmark symbol, then click Insert. Now if you're going to use the symbol multiple times, it is better to copy-paste it. So upon inserting a checkmark into your text box, highlight it, then press the Ctrl key and the letter C altogether to copy the symbol. Then you can press the Ctrl key and the letter V altogether to paste the copied checkmark anywhere you choose. So that's how easy you can insert checkmarks in your PowerPoint presentation from your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.